Hey, this is Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 380 Realm. Aboard this 380 Realm from Boston Whaler, it is the biggest model in the Realm class. It's equipped with quad 350 horsepower Mercury Verados. Boat moves, cruises really nicely. It gets you horizon to horizon cruising. And the best offshore platform that's out there. Unsinkable whaler. Got a lot of nice seating back here in the transom, and it does fold away. You got teak tables that go here. So very dynamic offshore hull platform, which shares the same hull as the 380 Outrage, which has been a legendary offshore hull, but combines more on this series boat to being a family offshore cruising boat. We got this huge hardtop here. Look at this. You got that moon roof there, big fiberglass hardtop, extending sure shade that comes back over the transom, and everyone's sitting under the top here. We are completely climate controlled with air conditioning. We also have upgraded JL audio speakers and sound system with 2 7s, 2 6s, subwoofer. Let's get a little peek around the helm here. Double wide companion seat. Triple Ray Marine glass screens. Air conditioning blowing right here at your face as well. The boat's equipped with trim tabs as well as a bow thruster. A really easy boat to navigate. Again, tons of space. Look at this full side glass. You get some inclement weather. It's hot in the summertime. You just run the air conditioning. You're completely climate controlled. And then walking through, look at how high the gunnels and the grab handles come up here. Is my arm right here. I'm holding the camera right at about head level, and I mean, no one is falling over this boat. You can be in the roughest sea conditions and still meander your way up to the front. Look at this. It's got a nice teak table in the front here. It's high-low, goes down, turns into a full sun pad. So look at this whole bow area. It can just be a nice hangout area. You got 3 across here, below the gunnels, cup holders, radio controls, etc. And then we also have a nice shade that connects to the hardtop and gives you a yacht quality feel. This is a great offshore hull. It can be a great tender for someone's yacht. Family's looking to do some long range extended cruising. You got almost a 400-mile range on a tank on this boat. Again, this is the brand new Boston Whaler 380 Realm, located here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. 954-633-2070. And then show you a real quick peek here in this cabin. Look at all this beautiful wood. Teak floors. Large steps that go down. Got a fridge, freshwater sink, lots of storage, and then all your controls and television right here. This is a dinette or a nice sleeping berth, and I love that they enclose a bulkhead here that has a stand-up shower and toilet. Again, give us a call, 954-633-2070. Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach.